In this video, we're going to show you how to install the parking brake release handle on your Hummer H3 located on the dashboard. So here we have our new release handle. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull the handle out of the dash, and there is a little tab here that you're going to use your pocket screwdriver and you're going to push in on, and it actually goes through to the other side, and you're going to release it, and this is going to separate from the cable itself. Now chances are, if this handle is broken on your vehicle, you can simply come up behind here with a pair of pliers and you're going to pull this out. So we're going to do this, and I'm just going to be able to hold this in the back with my 2 fingers. Let's pull that out as far as it'll go and hold it. So use your pocket screwdriver, and here's that little tab. You push in on that, and then the handle will release. Like so. Now chances are your handle may have already been broken, and all you have is the retainer or the cable piece in there. This can crack on the edge. So go ahead and discard if you happen to have that. Now you're going to take the new component, and it has the 2 tabs on this. You don't have to pull out on the cable anymore. You're simply going to take this unit, line that up, push it on, and you're going to hear it snap on, and there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.